Right now, most of you want to create channels like Drew Rady, Total Gaming, and Decoding IT. But creating such channels requires a lot of experience, knowledge, and hard work, which is difficult for new creators. That's why I've researched thousands of channel ideas and selected the top 5 best faceless YouTube niches for you that will guarantee results. I'm not going to recommend typical niches like motivational, cooking, or travel channels. Instead, these niches are ones I'm personally considering for a channel and to create videos for these categories. You only need a mobile phone and an internet connection. I'll also show you the step-by-step process of making a video. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal 3 niches you should avoid to prevent your channel from getting demonetized or facing copyright issues. 1. Sports explanation. In this niche, you can make videos on specific sports like basketball, football, or cricket. Many channels make the mistake of uploading random sports clips, which can be viewed, but make it difficult to monetize the channel. To monetize, do this properly. First, find an interesting topic. Write a script using tools like ChatGPT and Google. Do a good voiceover and edit the video. And also use stock footage from sites like Storyblocks or Canva. This niche can potentially generate up to $20 per month with consistent effort. A good strategy is to focus on the lives of sports players and behind-the-scenes content, and make sure the voiceover is original to avoid copyright issues. 2. Social stories, documentaries. There are many documentary-style channels on YouTube, like Dhruv Rathi and Nitish Rajput, but a faceless documentary channel is rare in India. A great example is the Camdev channel, which has over 2,000K subscribers with only 2 videos, getting millions of views due to high-quality content. Create content. Choose broad topics like the Indian education system or the Indian cricket board and expose them in a unique, engaging way. Research your topics using ChatGPT or Google and tell your stories in a way that keeps viewers hooked. You can also make videos in multiple languages to reach foreign audiences using tools like BeamaGuy for video translations. 3. Social media growth. If you have knowledge of YouTube and Instagram, this niche is perfect for you. Many channels show how to grow on these platforms, and some of these channels make over $6,000 in ad revenue alone. In this highly competitive niche, to stand out, you need to do something unique. Share your own growth story or give unique tips on growing YouTube or Instagram pages. If you have experience with social media growth, this niche can be a great way to earn. Niche 4. Self-improvement. This niche is very close to my heart because at one point, I was a 5-year-old broke teenager without any direction in life. Self-improvement content helped me a lot, and now I want to help others. Videos in this niche create content that addresses real-life problems with a focus on solutions. Share tips and stories that help your audience improve themselves. Channels in this niche can also earn a good income through affiliate marketing and decent CPM rates. This niche can be incredibly rewarding both personally and financially. 5. Experiment science. People look for 2 things on YouTube: entertainment and information. If you're interested in science, doing experiments could be a great niche for you. For example, there's a channel called Visioneel, which does science experiments without showing faces. You can perform simple experiments and explain the results. These videos can be shot with just a phone camera. Doing unique experiments or covering trending science topics, this niche can also be highly profitable, as seen by channels making thousands of dollars per month with high views. Niches to avoid. 1. Gaming content. Although many gaming channels get millions of views, the gaming niche is overcrowded. Unless you're doing something unique, it's difficult to succeed in this space. New gaming channels often fail unless they bring something different to the table. 2. AI content. AI tools are trending, but using AI for generating entire videos, from scripting to voiceovers to visuals, can harm your monetization. YouTube prefers content that adds real value, and purely AI-generated videos don't provide that. AI tools should be used as aids, not the sole creator of your content. Final thoughts. After selecting a niche, the next step is learning how to create videos. It's essential to understand the video creation process, including scripting, editing, and voiceovers. Stick around, and I'll show you the full process of video creation in this video. So if you found the right niche for your channel, the next step is learning how to produce high-quality videos. Click on the link below to get started, and I'll guide you through the entire video creation process.